Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to part 2 of how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Let's get to it. First, what we want to do, guys, is we want to create a new sprite, and then we're going to make something like this. It can be any size you want, really. Then we're going to paint this white, and we're going to call it Granny. Let's make Granny upgrade white. And now we're going to go to code. Then we're going to create a new variable called CPS. And we're going to do a when the sprite clicked. We're going to grab a if, and then if. Then we're going to grab a or statement. Then we're going to grab a equal to. We're going to grab a over. Now if score equals 10 or score is over 10, then change score by, then we're going to get a join block. Then we're going to put minus in here. Then we're going to create a new variable called grand value. And then we're going to change score by join negative grand value. When green flag clicked, set grand value to 15. Now what we want to do is change CPS by 1 right here. And now when the green flag is clicked, we're going to want to set CPS to 0. Then we're going to forever wait 1 second, change score by CPS. And now we're going to set in here grand value to round. Then we're going to grab a times round grand value times 1.25. Basically what this section does, it's rounding it to 1.25 times. Why we need a round is because it'll make it a decimal and the number will just be insanely big. We're changing the score by the CPS every 1 second, so change the score by whatever the CPS is. Now we're going to change score by join minus grand value, which means we're basically changing it by the grand value. Now, as you can see, if we set grand value and put it right here, and we can put it right there to make it better, if we see that if we wait 1 second, it'll actually change our score by 1. Now if we buy this again, as you can see, it keeps changing. Another thing to make it better, we can put if score equals grand value or if score is over grand value. A small coding mistake and I figured it out. So basically, instead of putting this in here, which whenever you do it, it changes it by 1. Whenever you click this, we want to take that out and put it right here so it doesn't change it by 1 whenever you click the upgrade. Now as you can see, it works perfectly. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.